Welcome back to a brand new Pokemon card opening video. I am back after 15 years. Today I will open a Japanese Pokemon Go pack, a Battle Styles pack and 3 Scarlet and Violet packs. Open. It's not opening. The Japanese are very good in making strong packs. What is the name again of this Pokemon? I don't remember. Yeah, the newer Pokemon is a problem. Ariados, Pupitar. This one from Pokemon Go, Dragonite V-Star, oh, nice, I don't have that one yet, we will keep that separate, and an energy card, Fire Energy, another energy card, Luxio, Durant, Frillish, Esper, Blipbug, Silicobra, and Houndour. Oh, and Bolton, that's the reverse holo, yeah. And Houndoom again, but a holo! Nice! Very happy with that one. Energy cards. Zangoose. This one. The Dean. Curlia. This one. Jack. Flora Gato. The evolution of the starter. Calimero. Like we call him in Dutch. Capaskit or something. Waterol is the reverse holo and the rare is... Oh damn, Gardevoir EX. That's a good pull actually. Basic Energy. Rotom. Chansey. Rare Candy. Fido. Jack again. This one again too. Zangoose. The reverse holo is a rock chest plate and the rare is Dolliv. Oh no, there is another one. This one. I'm not gonna pronounce that name because I can't, because I'm not English. That's not my main tongue. Me confused because 2 reverse holos. The last pack for today. Lightning Energy, Switch, Fuecoco, Tropius, Pokeball, Experience Share, Stonjourner, Penny, Flamigo is a reverse holo, Mareep is also a reverse holo, and the rare... Oh, damn, Arcanine EX. I am very lucky today. I think that are good cards, at least. I hope. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I hope to see you again next time. Ciao.